Gamers, this is SkyTech TV, your number one channel where we empower you with technology. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at the newest and the latest phones in the market. Beast of phone, Republic of Gamers, the ROG Phone 8 Pro. ASUS is calling it the ultimate gaming phone, but does it live up to the hype? Let's crack it and find out. Okay. Right out of the box, this phone screams gamers. Sleek phantom black design, ROG logo blazing on the back with customizable anime LED and those air triggers on the side. You know this thing is meant for auction. It's surprisingly thin and light, though not your typical and clunky gaming brick. Step into the future for the mobile gaming with revolutionary and reimagined ROG Phone 8 Pro, an unprecedented blend of pure gaming prowess and everyday elegance. It's a cutting-edge gaming phone that's also a true premium phone. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 mobile platform with enhanced thermal design for unparalleled performance. Feast your eyes on the 6.7-inch Samsung AMOLED with LTPO technology and up to 2500 nits peak brightness, and capture movement like a pro with the 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer equipped camera, which also has a 3 times telephoto lens. Stay powered effortless and elevate your gaming and lifestyle with one extraordinary device. But the real magic happens on the 6.78-inch AMOLED display, a 165Hz refresh rate, butter smooth gameplay, no contest, and the 720Hz touch sampling rate. My finger felt like lightning bolt reacting instantly to every tap and swipe. And then there's the engine under the hood, the latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor. This thing is a monster. Zero lag even in the most demanding games. I cranked up the graphics on the everything and it just laughed in my face in a good way. But ROG Phone 8 Pro isn't just about raw power. They've packed it with gaming specific features like those customizable air triggers for precise shoulder controls, a built-in cooling fan to keep things chill under pressure, and even an optional ROG Kunai gamepad that turns it into a mini Nintendo Switch. Talk about versatility. Of course, you are not just going to use this for gaming, right? The camera system is pretty solid with a 50 megapixel main sensor and a bunch of cooling gaming specific modes like time lapse and slow motion HDR. And the battery life, don't even get me started. The 5500 mAh battery is a beast, easily lasting me a full day of hardcore gaming, and then plus you've got 65 watts fast charging and 15 watts wireless charging, so you're never caught off guard. So is the ROG Phone 8 Pro the ultimate gaming phone? It's definitely up there. It's got the power, the performance, and the features and the battery life to satisfy the most hardcore gamer. Sure, it's a bit on the pricey side and the RGB might not be everyone's cup of tea, but if you are serious about mobile gaming, this is the phone you need to check out. What do you guys think? Is the ROG Phone 8 Pro a game changer or just another overhyped gadget? Let me know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech madness. See you in my next video. Bye.